show you guys how to use a cattail to make a tiki torch. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut your cattail.
It's actually cutting the stem about a foot down below the cattail. And the cattail is actually a type of weed that grows around almost any pond, anywhere, especially in the summertime. Around almost any campsite.
They're very strong too.
Okay, let's see what you got.
That's
and
cattail.
That's what they look like right there. Now we're going to take that, we're going to go marinate it in a special sauce, and then we'll show you tonight how to make
a redneck tiki torch.
Redneck tiki torch to keep mosquitoes and bugs away from your campsite. So here's our tiki torch fuel. This is what we're going to be using to marinate these in. You simply just take this, find a metal canister or something that can hold it, and you want to put about 2 inches in there. Okay, 2 inches of this fuel basically that burns at a slow rate. Then all we're going to do is simply take these, okay, we're going to soak them in there. I'm going to put them up underneath the shade somewhere like that in case it rains, and you can literally let these sit for half an hour. It doesn't take very long, and it's almost like a sponge. It's going to soak all the way up in here, and then tonight we're just going to slide that down into our tiki torch holster, and that'll help keep the bugs away and parasites and any mosquitoes and stuff that are in the area. And we'll check back with you in a little while and show you how well it works. All right, we had these marinate. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna set it up, show you how to make a redneck tiki torch. Right here. Just gonna take here. That easy. Now you take this, light them, and that,
oh my goodness,
is how you make a redneck tiki torch. Hope you enjoyed that.
let's see how long they last.
Hope you enjoyed that.